Hey there, welcome to this super simple guide for absolute beginners. If you're completely new to making money online and want to earn $10 or more per task without any skills or money upfront, this is for you. Today, we'll talk about Clickworker, the app from my short where I made $30 in one day. First, what is Clickworker? It's a website and app started in 2005 that lets normal people like you and me do tiny jobs called microtasks. These tasks help companies train AI or collect data. For example, you might look at a picture and say this is a cat or answer a short question. You don't need a fancy computer, just a phone or laptop with internet. Payments are real money through PayPal, but it's not easy millions. Beginners usually make $5, $10 an hour at first, and it can add up if you do it regularly. I'll explain everything like I'm talking to my friend who's never done this before, slow, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start and get your first payout. Let's begin with signing up.
Okay, let's start with the very first thing. Signing up. Don't worry, it's free and takes about 5-10 minutes if you follow along. Step 1. Open your browser, like Chrome on your phone or computer, and type www.clickworker.com. Make sure it's the official site. It ends with .com. Step 2. Click the big button that says Become a Clickworker or Register. Choose Worker because you want to do tasks, not hire people. Step 3. Enter your email. Use a free one like Gmail if you don't have one. Then make a password. Something easy to remember but safe, like your name plus a number. Step 4. Fill in your basic info. Full name, birthday, country. Iran is okay. And gender. For languages, pick English if you know it even a little. It opens more tasks. Step 5. Check your email for a confirmation link. Click it to activate your account. Now the important part for beginners, assessments. These are like short quizzes to see if you're ready. Go to the dashboard and click Assessments. Do the basic ones first. They're easy questions like, read this sentence and answer yes, no. Take your time. Read twice if needed. If you fail, you can try again later. This unlocks tasks. Without it, you can't start earning. Tip: if you're in Iran and site loads slow, use a free VPN, like Proton VPN, set to Turkey or UAE for sign-up. But turn it off for tasks to avoid problems. Great job on sign-up. Now let's get to the fun part. Finding tasks and doing them. This is where you earn money. Step 1. Log into your account. Use the app if you downloaded it. It's free on Google Play or App Store. Step 2. Look at the available jobs or dashboard. You'll see a list of tasks. Each one shows how much it pays, how long it takes, and what to do. For beginners, start with super easy ones. Image labeling. Look at a photo and click, yes, this has a car. Or no, it's a tree. Pays $0.01 per task. Text categorization. Read a short sentence and say if it's positive or negative. Takes 1-2 minutes. Surveys. Answer 5 quick questions about a product. Pays $0.50, $2. Step 3. Click Accept on a task. Read the instructions carefully. They're like a recipe. Do this, then that. For example, in an image task, zoom in if needed and label everything you see. Step 4. Submit when done. If it's good, you get paid instantly to your balance. My example, I did 3 simple tasks, each 5 minutes. 1 image, 1 text, 1 survey, and got $30 total. But for you, start with 1 task a day to learn. Beginner tip. If no tasks show, wait 1 to 2 hours and refresh. More come during daytime. Don't rush. Accuracy is key, or tasks get rejected and your rating drops. Now that you know how to do tasks, let's talk about making more money and what not to do. Super important for beginners. Tip 1. Get qualified for UHRS, a special part of Clickworker. It's Microsoft tasks. Do the UHRS assessment, 10 questions about search results. These pay better, like $0.10, $0.50 per minute. Tip 2. Add English to your languages. Even if basic, it opens 80% more tasks. Practice with free apps if needed. Tip 3. Use the mobile app. It sends alerts when new tasks come, so you don't miss high-paying ones. Tip 4. Work 1 hour a day. Mornings or evenings when tasks more are. Track your time. Use a phone timer to see how much you earn per hour. Common mistakes to avoid. Not reading instructions. Always read twice. Or task rejected and no pay. Expecting $10 every 5 minutes. It's rare. Most days 15 hour. Forgetting VPN rules. Use for sign-up if needed, but off for tasks to avoid ban. Ignoring rating. Keep 90% plus accuracy by double-checking answers. With these tips, you can go from $10 a week to $100+ a month as you get better. Last step. Getting your money. This is the exciting part. Step 1. Check your earnings balance. It shows how much you've made. Step 2. When you reach $10 minimum, go to Payouts section. Step 3. Choose PayPal, fastest, or Payoneer if PayPal not available in your area. For Iranians, Payoneer good. Link it to account, then convert to IRR via exchanges like Nobitex. Step 4. Request payout. It's processed in 1 to 7 days, usually weekly on Wednesdays. My $30 came in 2 days. Here's the screenshot again. Show it. Final advice for beginners. Start slow. Do 1 task today. If stuck, their help center has FAQs. Remember, this is side money. Be patient and it adds up. Link to ClickWorker in description. Try it and comment your first earnings. I reply. Thanks for watching. If helpful, like and subscribe for more easy guides. See you soon. Go earn your first $10.